If you golf as much as I do, this tiny little device could be an absolute game changer. I use my phone to look up the course, see where my shot is, how far my distances are, and I like to have it just pinned right on the actual golf cart itself. So that's where this little magnetic mount comes into play. This is the ARC, and it is a very strong magnet to hook onto your phone. So you've got a magnet right here that goes on the cart, and then you've got a magnet right here that actually hooks onto your cellular device like this. So this magnet is very strong. It's going to be hitting golf cart bumps and stuff. So you do not want this to fall off. And you can see even with a case, that is not falling off at all. I've got a piece of metal. You can actually see it right here, which is nice. And it's actually very strong. So the phone comes off easier than the magnet does on the actual, let's pretend this is the golf cart. That is crazy. So this is definitely not going to fall off the cart. It's just a matter of how strong your magnetic case is. And mine is pretty strong. But I do also have a case. So if you didn't have a case, or if you had a special magnet case, then it would be even stronger. But I would still feel comfortable using this one. You can also see that this has got a ball mount right here. So you can rotate this kind of any direction you please to get your phone where you want. And you'll notice that they do have a magnetic ring that you can put onto your phone to get that magnetic force stronger if you're not happy with how it is right off the bat. So check it out, guys. A very nice little magnet. I'll have it linked below. Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hairdryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.